Welcome to English Easy Story. Here, we bring captivating stories to help you improve your English, one story at a time. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on new adventures and learning moments with us. Hello, my name is Emily and I am 25 years old. I am from the United States of America. I live in a small town, but it's a nice place to live. I work as a teacher. I love my job because I enjoy helping students learn new things. Every day I go to work and teach different subjects. I teach English, math, and science. In the morning, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast. I usually have toast with butter and a cup of coffee. At 7:30 a.m., I leave my house and drive to school. The school is only 10 minutes away, so I arrive early. My classes start at 8 a.m. and finish at 3 p.m. after school. I prepare lessons for the next day or help students with their homework. I live with my family. My family is very important to me. My mother's name is Sarah and she is very kind. She always helps me when I need advice. My father's name is John and he is very funny. He makes jokes and makes everyone laugh. I also have one brother. His name is Michael and he is 20 years old. He is studying at university. I have many friends. My best friend's name is Anna. We have been friends since we were children. We like to spend time together. We go shopping, watch movies, or have coffee at a cafe. Anna is very friendly and funny. She always makes me smile. I also have friends at work. We talk about our students and share ideas about teaching. I am a positive person. I always try to see the good in every situation. I believe that if you work hard, you can achieve anything. I am also a caring person. I like to help my students when they are struggling, and I try to make learning fun for them in my free time. I like to read books. My favorite books are about history and adventure. I also enjoy going for walks in the park. It helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I listen to music or watch TV shows to unwind. At the weekends I visit my grandparents. They live in the countryside and I enjoy spending time with them. My grandmother cooks delicious meals and my grandfather tells me interesting stories about his life. We usually have a big family dinner on Sunday. One day I hope to start my own family. I want to have children and teach them everything I know. I think family is very important and I want to give my children a good life. I am a responsible person. I always try to do my best at work and in my personal life. I think it's important to be organized, so I make plans for everything I do. I also like to keep my house clean and tidy. Sometimes I feel tired because teaching can be hard work, but I always find a way to stay motivated. I remind myself that I am helping students, and that makes me feel proud. On holidays, I like to travel. I've been to a few different states in the US, but I would love to visit Europe one day. I want to see famous places like Paris, London, and Rome. I think traveling is a great way to learn about other cultures. I am also interested in learning new languages right now. I am studying Spanish. It is not easy, but I enjoy the challenge. I believe that learning a new language can open many doors and life in the future. I want to continue teaching. I love my job and I hope to become a better teacher every day. I plan to take some extra courses to learn more about teaching methods. I would like to travel to other countries to teach English to students from different cultures. I think it would be an exciting experience. I always try to be a good person, but like everyone, I have my good and bad sides. One of my good behaviors is that I am always on time. I believe it's important to be punctual. Being late makes me feel stressed, so I make sure to leave my house early. Every day my students depend on me, so I can't be late for my classes. I also try to be helpful whenever someone needs my help. I'm always there. Whether it's a student who needs extra practice, a colleague who needs advice, or a friend who needs someone to talk to. I'm ready to listen and assist, but I'm not perfect. One of my bad habits is that sometimes I get a little impatient when things don't go as planned. I can feel frustrated. For example, if the technology in the classroom doesn't work or if a student doesn't understand something quickly, I feel annoyed. I'm working on being more patient and taking a deep breath. When things don't go right, another bad behavior I'm trying to improve is that I can be a little too hard on myself. I always want to do my best, and when things don't go well, I tend to blame myself. Sometimes I stay up late thinking about what I could have done better in class, or I worry if I said the right thing to a friend. I know I need to be kinder to myself and not expect perfection all the time. Now let me tell you about what I like and don't like. I like many things. First of all, I love teaching. I enjoy watching my students grow and learn new things. It makes me happy when they understand something for the first time. I also love reading. I can spend hours with a good book, especially if it's a mystery or an adventure story. Reading helps me escape from everyday life and dive into new worlds. Another thing I like is cooking. I'm not an expert, but I love trying new recipes. My favorite dish to make is lasagna. It's a bit tricky, but when it comes out right, it's delicious. I also enjoy being outdoors. On weekends, I like to go hiking. The fresh air and the beautiful scenery make me feel relaxed and happy. Sometimes I take my dog Max with me. He loves running around and exploring the trails. Now for the things I don't like. I don't like rainy days. When it rains, I feel lazy and it's hard to get things done. I also don't like loud places. I prefer quiet spaces where I can think and relax. Crowded and noisy areas make me feel anxious. Another thing I don't like is rude people. I believe everyone should be kind and respectful. So when someone is rude, it really bothers me. I don't like waiting in long lines either, whether it's at the grocery store or at the bank. Waiting for too long can make me feel impatient. But of course, I remind myself to be calm and patient even when it's hard. In the future, I hope to continue learning and growing, both as a teacher and as a person. I want to become more patient, kinder to myself, and better at handling challenges. I look forward to new adventures, exciting days, and making more happy memories. So that's a little bit about me. I've shared my daily routine, my family, my job as a teacher, and some of my likes and dislikes. I've also told you about some interesting days and a few of my good and bad habits. Now I'd love to hear about you one. How do you start your day? Do you have a morning routine like mine? 2. What are some of your good habits and what are some habits you're working to improve? 3. What are some things that you really enjoy doing in your free time? 4. Is there something you don't like? Maybe it's the weather, a certain food, or a type of activity. 5. Do you have any goals or future plans? Just like me. What do you hope to achieve? I'd love to hear your answers. Share your thoughts and let's get to know each other better. Thank you for listening to my story, and I can't wait to hear yours. I love playing soccer. I play with my friends after school, and my father comes to watch my games. My hobbies make me happy, and I love sharing them with my family. Celebrations in my family. We celebrate many things in my family. Birthdays are very important to us. We always have a party when someone in the family has a birthday. My mother makes a cake and we invite our friends. We give presents to the birthday person and we sing songs. My birthday is in May and my sister's birthday is in July. We also celebrate Christmas and New Year. On Christmas, we decorate the tree and the house. We exchange gifts and we have a big dinner. My father makes a special dish for Christmas and we eat together on New Year's Eve. We stay up late and watch fireworks. It's a fun time for all of us. Family traditions. In my family, we have some traditions. Every Friday night we have a family movie night. We watch a new movie or an old favorite. We make popcorn and sit on the couch together. My father always chooses action movies, and my sister picks cartoons. Another tradition we have is a family picnic in the summer. We go to the park, bring food, and play games. My mother makes sandwiches, and we eat them while sitting on a blanket. My father brings a frisbee, and we all play together. These traditions make our family life fun and special. Helping each other in my family. We help each other every day. My parents help me with my homework, and I helped my sister with her schoolwork. When my mother is tired, I help her in the kitchen. I can set the table and wash the dishes. My father teaches me how to fix things around the house. Last week, we fixed the door in my room. My sister helps my mother in the garden. She waters the flowers and picks vegetables. We always help each other because we care about one another. Why? I love my family. I love my family because they are always there for me. My parents take care of me and they always listen when I have a problem. My sister is my best friend. We play together and we never fight. My family makes me feel safe and happy. We laugh a lot and enjoy spending time together. I am lucky to have such a wonderful family.